Hello, Hawaiian.
Hello, teacher.
Oh, okay. Thank you that there is a Wi-Fi right now. I'm sorry. Okay. How are you tonight? Okay. How are you, Hawaiian? How are you?
Okay, well, I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you.
Okay. So, teacher, don't have a Wi-Fi so that no, I have a Wi-Fi problem so that teacher to load for the phone and I just connect it to laptop. Okay, because there is a typhoon in our place. Okay, I'm sorry, Hawaiian.
Giáo viên đang sạc điện thoại và tôi chỉ cần kết nối với laptop. Ở nơi chúng tôi đang có bão.
Okay, can you hear me, Hawaiian?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So now let's ready because our time is now running. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. Are you ready? Okay. So now let's start. Okay. Can you please read?
Cô giáo đi. Let's
Count. Can you say let's count?
let's count.
Okay. So now you will count how many children in the picture. Can you count the children in the picture?
One, two, three, four.
Okay, there are four children in the picture. Okay, so our lesson it's about counting. So let's move. Okay, we have a new word. Please read. Can you say man? Okay, hello. Okay, can you say man?
Man,
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 man.
man.
Yeah, hey, okay, so these are men. Okay, so let's now read the sentence. There, there are okay, hello.
There
Hello. There
are
there are three
there are three men
men in
in the
the street.
street.
Okay, so there are three men in the street. Okay, so you need to read again a little bit faster. Okay, there are
There are three men in the
street. Street. Can you
street.
say? Yes.
Street.
Okay, okay, so the meaning of the word street is this one. You can use that if you want to use it in English. So in Vietnamese,
Phố,
yeah, so that is the meaning of street. So there are 3 men in the street. Okay, let's now count the men. 1,
1, 2, 3.
yes, okay, so there are 3 men in the street. Okay, good job, Huai An. Okay, let's now move to the other word. Okay, can you say woman?
Woman.
Woman.
Woman. Woman.
Yes, okay, let's now use our hands.
Woman.
Okay, let's now use our hands and let's clap. Women.
Woman.
Women.
Woman.
Women. Okay, very good. So there are, okay,
Woman.
okay, very good. These are women. Okay, so please read the sentence. There
There are
are,
3 women.
yes, there are 3 women. Just like teacher, I am a woman. Okay, let's now count the women in the picture. 1,
1, 2, 3.
yes, okay, so there are how many? 3 women.
3 women.
Okay, very good. Now, let's move to the other word. Wow. Okay. Can you say children? Children.
Children.
Okay, again.
Children.
Chil.
Children.
Okay, let's now.
Children.
Okay, very good. Now let's again use our hands. Let's clap. Children.
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 Children. Yay. Okay.
Children.
Very good, Huai An. Okay, let's count how many children in the bus.
4 children.
Okay, can you say 4? What is this?
4 children.
Okay, can you say children?
Children.
Okay, so let's count the children.
Children.
Very good. Let's count 1,
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so there are 4 children in the bus. Okay, so the meaning of children is in Vietnamese.
Children.
Yes, in Vietnamese.
trẻ em,
Okay, just like you. Okay, just like you are a child. Okay, if there are more than one child, we call it as children. Okay, you listen. You listen, Hoài An.
giống như bạn là một đứa trẻ. Nếu có nhiều hơn một đứa trẻ, chúng ta gọi là trẻ em.
Okay. Okay, Hoài An. Okay.
Hey.
Okay, very good. So again, can you say children?
Children.
Very good. Okay, let's now search how many men are there? Okay, let's count. 1,
Có bao nhiêu người đàn ông, người phụ nữ và trẻ em trong bức tranh ở đây nha?
1, 2,
3,
3,
4.
4,
Okay.
5.
Okay. So, okay. So we only
Bao
have
nhiêu đàn ông cơ mà?
4
Nhìn xem.
men. Okay. Yeah, because there are only 4 men. Because these are
Tôi nói xem
what is this?
có 4 đàn ông thì nói như thế
These
nào?
are children.
Are
Children.
children.
Yes. Okay. So
Children.
yes. Okay. Now let's count how many children are there in the picture. Okay. Let's count. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes, there are how many? How many? There are 8 children.
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 Yes, okay.
The picture.
Okay. Okay. You say again. There are. Okay, teacher will write. Wait. There. Okay. There are 8 children in the picture. Okay, please read, Hoy An. There are
8 children in the
picture.
picture.
Okay, very good. Now, let's now move to the other vocabulary. How about how many? Woman, just like teacher, long hair. How many women? Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yay! There are how many? There are
There are 4 women
yes
in the picture.
yeah. Okay, good
In
job.
the picture.
Okay, good job, Huay An. Now let's move to the other picture. So we have. You need to You need to check, or find the correct answer based on the given options. Okay, teacher will help you. Okay, you
Bạn
listen.
cần đánh dấu hoặc tìm câu trả lời đúng dựa trên các lựa chọn đã cho.
Okay, so the question is, there are 2 blank and 3 blank. Okay, 2 blank and 3 blank. Okay, let's look. How many there's 2 in the picture? There are
Mấy người phụ nữ?
1, 2.
yes, there are
2 women.
Yay! There are 2 women.
Trẻ
Okay,
em.
let's write the answer. Okay, there are 2 women. How about the 3? There are 3. What is this? It's
3
3.
Trẻ em. Children.
children.
Yeah, children.
3 children.
Okay. If children, it means kids. Okay. Children mean kids. Okay, you listen, my end.
Trẻ em có nghĩa là các đứa trẻ.
Okay, so these
Children
are,
mean kids.
okay. Can you say this? Can you say that? Children. Can you say children? Can you read?
Nói đi.
Children
Mean
Mean.
men
kid.
Kid.
kids.
Yeah, just like you, Huayan, you are a kid. Okay. Now let's now move to the
Sau là đi.
okay. Move to the other picture. Okay, now let's read and talk. Okay. So, can you say count people?
Count people.
Okay. Can you read?
Count people.
Please read. Good morning.
Good morning.
Class. Class. Can you say?
Class.
Yes. Okay, again.
Class.
Good morning, class. Can you
Morning class.
Okay. Good morning, class. Okay. How about this one? Today.
Today.
We
Today.
will
We will
what is that? Count
count
people.
people.
Okay, please read faster. Read it faster. Today. Today. This one. Today.
Today we
Will
will
count.
count
What is this?
count people.
Yes, okay. So a teacher will translate it. Today we will count people. Okay. It's like today we will count people. Okay, we will count today people.
Hôm nay chúng ta sẽ đếm mọi người.
Okay. How about this one? Good morning,
Good morning,
Miss
Miss
Jill.
Miss Jill.
Okay. So, please count Huayan how many children in the picture. You count.
2, 3, 4, 6.
5, 6. Okay. Okay, that's fine. So there are 6 children.
6.
Yes. Okay, can you say children? Okay, can you say
Children.
there are 6 children in the class? Can you say that?
Yeah.
There
Đúng.
are
There are 6 children in the
class.
class.
Okay, good job.
Class.
Okay, how many? Okay. Oh, wait. How many teacher in the class?
Bao nhiêu giáo viên trong trong lớp?
Lớp
Okay.
có bao nhiêu giáo viên?
There
Bao nhiêu giáo
are
viên nào?
There
there
are 1
okay, one
Teacher
teacher
in
in the
the
class.
class.
in the class.
Yeah, hey. Okay, so there are one teacher in the class.
1 teacher in the class.
Okay, wow. Now we have another one. Okay, please read. How many?
How many men are there?
Okay, how many men are there? Please count the men in the picture.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So the answer is there are,
There 10 men.
yes, there are 10 men. Wow. Can you please read this? Good job.
Job.
Okay.
Học.
Okay. Good job. Can you
Làm
say?
tốt lắm.
Yeah. Can you say again? Good.
Good job.
Yay. So good job, Huwayan. Sad to say, teacher, our time is now done. Okay? So I'm sorry because teacher have a Wi-Fi problem. Okay? So we will continue our lesson soon. So teacher will gonna say goodbye. Okay?
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye. See you soon. Good night.
Good night, teacher.